Last night as I lay sleeping, there came a dream so fair. I stood at old Jerusalem, beside the temple there. I heard the children singing, and ever as they sang, methought the voice of angels from heaven in answer rang. Methought the voice of angels from heaven in answer rang. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, lift up your gates and sing, Hosanna in the highest, Hosanna to your King. And then methought my dream was changed, the streets no longer rang. I said with glad hosannas, the little children sang. The sun grew dark with mystery, the morn was cold and chill. As the shadow across the rose upon a lonely hill, as the shadow of across a rose upon a lonely hill. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, hark how the angels sing, Hosanna in the highest, Hosanna to your King. And once again, the scene was changed. New earth there seemed to be. I saw the holy city beside a timeless sea. The light of God was on its streets, the gates were open wide, and all who would might enter, and no one was denied. No need of moon nor stars by night, or the sun to shine by day. It was the new Jerusalem that would not pass away. It was the new Jerusalem that would not pass away. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, sing, for the night is o'er. Hosanna in the highest, Hosanna forevermore. Hosanna in the highest, Hosanna forevermore.